हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू प्रायश एजू। दोस्तों, आज हम देखेंगे क्लास 9 साइंस सब्जेक्ट में फर्स्ट चैप्टर हमारा जो है लॉज ऑफ मोशन, जिसके हम फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स देखने वाले हैं। ये है एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस विथ आंसर्स हम आपको दे रहे हैं। दोस्तों, ये ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हमने इस चैप्टर के ऊपर निकाले हैं, जिससे आपकी प्रैक्टिस जो है इस चैप्टर की वो और अच्छी हो सकती है और आपका जो कंसेप्ट है वो और क्लियर हो सकता है। तो दोस्तों, मेरी आपसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है कि आपको ये वीडियो एंड तक देखना है। तो चलो देखते हैं क्या क्या हम सीखने वाले हैं इस वीडियो में। फर्स्ट है फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स। द मिनिमम डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द स्टार्ट एंड फिनिश पॉइंट्स ऑफ द मोशन ऑफ एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड द डैश ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, और उसे कहते हैं डिस्प्लेसमेंट। डिस्प्लेसमेंट। ओके, नेक्स्ट इज डिक्लेरेशन इज डैश एक्सेलरेशन, और इसका सही जवाब है नेगेटिव। So next is when an object is an uniform circular motion, its dash changes at every point, and the answer is velocity. Okay, next is during collisions dash remains constant, and the answer is total momentum. हम यहाँ पे लिखेंगे total momentum. Okay, next is the working of a rocket depends on Newton's dash law of motion, and the answer is third law of motion. Okay, the next is the tendency of a body to resist acceleration is called dash, and the answer is inertia. Next is an dash force acting on an object brings it in motion. So the answer is unbalance. Unbalance. Okay, next is the displacement that occurs in unit time is called dash, and the answer is velocity. Next one is speed is related to distance while velocity is related to the dash, and the answer is displacement. Displacement. Okay, next one is the rate of change of velocity is called dash, and the answer is acceleration. Okay, next one is if velocity changes by equal amounts in equal time intervals, the object is said to be dash, and the answer is uniform acceleration. Okay, next one is as a tip is moving along a circular path, its motion is called dash motion, and the answer is uniform circular motion. Okay, next is a momentum is the product of dash and dash of an object, and the answer is mass and velocity. Okay, next is dash is a vector quantity, and the answer is momentum. Next is in SI system the unit of momentum is dash, and the answer is kg minute per second. Okay, next is when an object moves with constant speed along a circular path, the motion is called dash motion. तो इसका सही जवाब क्या है दोस्तों? इसे हम कहेंगे यूनिफॉर्म, यहाँ पे मैं आगे लिख रही हूँ सर्क्यूलर motion. Okay. Next is, if the velocity of the object does not change with time, it has dash acceleration, and the answer is 0. Zero acceleration. Okay. The next one is, when the velocity of an object dash, the acceleration is dash, and the answer is increase, and the acceleration is positive. Next is, when the velocity of an object dash with time, it has dash acceleration, and the answer is decrease. Decrease with time, it has negative acceleration. Okay. So the next is, if the velocity changes by unequal amounts in equal time intervals, the object is said to be dash acceleration, and the answer is non-uniform. Okay. Next one is, the speed of revolution of the earth around the sun is about dash, and the answer is 29,770 minute per second. Okay. Next is, dash is related to distance while dash is related to the displacement, and the answer is speed is related to distance while velocity is related to the displacement. Okay. Next one is, the unit of dash and dash are the same. So the unit of speed and velocity. Okay. Next is, the velocity of an accelerated object changes with a dash, and the answer is time. Next is, action and reaction forces act dash. So answer is simultaneously. Simultaneously. Okay. Next one is, in SI system, the unit of force is Newton. And in CGS system, the unit of force is a dyne. Next one is, when no external force acts on two interacting objects, their total momentum remains dash, and the answer is constant. Next is, the SI unit of speed is dash, minute per second. Okay. Next is, the shortest distance between initial and final points of movement of the body is called dash of the body, और इसका आंसर है displacement. Okay. Next is, the magnitude of velocity and dash will be equal if motion is along a straight path, and the answer is speed. Next is, the variation of velocity and time of a train in motion can be represented by dash graph, and the answer is velocity time graph. Okay. So the next is, slope of distance time graph gives dash in case of uniform motion, and the answer is velocity. Okay. Next is, the direction of velocity of an object performing uniform circular motion is along the dash direction to its position, and the answer is tangential. So next one is, it's a T. Okay. while sharpening a knife, sparks fly off dash from the grinding stone. And the answer is tangentially. Okay. Next one is dash is a quantitative measure of inertia of body, and the answer is mass. Next is a person gets a forward jerk when a car stops suddenly due to dash, and the answer is inertia. Next is an dash force acting on an object brings it in motion, and the answer is unbalance. Unbalanced force. Okay. Next is a force of 400 N is applied to a table of mass 80 kg. Hence the acceleration produced is dash, and the answer is 5 minute per second square. Okay, so the next is the momentum of a body of mass 5 kg is 10 kg minute per second, then its velocity will be dash, and the answer is 2 minute per second. Okay, next is law of conservation of momentum is a corollary to Newton's dash of motion, and the answer is third law of motion. Okay, next is in a collision dash is always conserved, and the answer is total momentum. Next is dash is a reciprocal action between two objects, and the answer is force. Okay, next one is the change in the position of an object with respect to its surrounding is called dash, and the answer is motion. Next is the actual path followed by a body between the initial and final points of motion into bracket moment is called dash, and the answer is distance. The next one is the distance covered by a body in unit time is called dash, and the answer is speed. Okay, next one is the force which causes to move a body of mass 1 kg with an acceleration of 1 minute per second square is called dash force, and the answer is 1 Newton force. Okay, next is the tendency of a body to resist a change in a state of rest or state of motion is called dash, and the answer is inertia. Okay, next one is dash is the product of mass and velocity of an object, and the answer is momentum. Next is the force which causes to move a body of mass 1 gram with an acceleration of 1 centimeter per second square is called dash force, and the answer is 1 dyne. ओके तो देखा दोस्तों हमने कि कैसे ये आंसर्स हमने एक्स्ट्रा क्वेश्चंस आपके लिए निकाले हैं। तो दोस्तों मेरी आपसे एक ही रिक्वेस्ट है, ये जो लेसन है ये आपको 2 बार रीड करना है, बाद में आप इसके सभी आंसर्स अपने आप सॉल्व करके यहाँ पे आप क्रॉस टैली कर सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों अगर ये वीडियो आपको पसंद आया होगा तो इसे लाइक और शेयर ज़रूर करना, और अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो पहले मेरे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करो और बाजू में दिए हुए बेल आइकन पे भी क्लिक करो। तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए और सुनने के लिए धन्यवाद। हम मिलेंगे हमारे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में कुछ नए टॉपिक के साथ, कुछ नए एक्सप्लेनेशन के साथ। तब तक के लिए दोस्तों आपका दिन शुभ रहे। थैंक यू।